and I'm gonna be showing y'all on how to get my MechVibe sound effects. And what I mean by that is, you know, the sounds of this. So a lot of y'all have been asking me on my previous video on how to get it and what do I use, and I'll be showing y'all today. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description and in the comments on this video to my Discord server. Join that up and then just go to announcement, and then here's the sounds. So you would just press download and then you continue to download, and once you download it, you're gonna need to have MechVibe, of course. So once you have MechVibes, what you want to do next is right click on the MechVibe logo, go to custom folder, and then when you go to custom folder, it should be empty. But once you see the folder, what you want to do is drag this tangerine file into here, and then once you drag the file into here, you would just close this and you would close MechVibe and then reopen it. And then once you reopen it, you're gonna go to MechVibe, and then it'll show you the defaults, and then you just scroll down and you just see your customs right here, and then tap on that. You can adjust the volume on how loud you want it to be, and then yeah. So let's join the game real quick, just so I can show you that y'all it works. But yeah, so make sure you have the tangerine files into that folder, because if you don't, it's not gonna work. So make sure you do that. I would extract the file first so it can be into a normal folder though, because you know some people use WinR, and that's why it'll look like this. So you just drag the file just like that into the folder, into the custom folder, and as you see, it works. So yeah, hopefully this helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And I'll see y'all in the next video. See you guys.